That portion was brought to you by Centrum Silver Advance para sa extra resistensya at proteksyong pangbuong katawan para sa edad 50 pataas. Take Centrum Silver Advance every day.
Tatak RMN.
Yun! Boss, anong ginagawa mo? Nagpadala ng pera sa Palawan. Send money anytime, anywhere with Palawan Pay. Cash agad ang tanggap sa Palawan Express pero padala. Win-win sa Palawan. Ipalawan mo na. Supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Send money anytime, anywhere with the Palawan Pay. Para cash agad ang tanggap, mag-Palawan Express pero padala. Supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Kasmooth sa hair! Pero itchy na sad! Kahumot sa hair! Pero itchy na sad! Kabouncy sa hair! Pero itchy na sad! Tiis ganda sa it! Katiis ganda yarn! Girl, basta hindi na makaya sa beauty shampoo, huh? Stop the katiis ganda with Head & Shoulders every day. With regular use, get up to 100% dandruff-free beautiful hair with no visible flakes. Kagwapa sa hair! Gadijud matiis sa uban! Pagsulay na karon sa Head & Shoulders.
Up to 100% dandruff-free with Head & Shoulders.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. John Pabon, makapag sa John. Walang amoy kulong, gamit sampay sa laon.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang dami.
John Pabon, makapag sa John. Walang amoy kulong, gamit sampay sa laon. Makapag sa John.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
This newscast is brought to you by San Mig Light. Get into the light life with San Mig Light.
Goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, bright blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, bright blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang carbon and polycotton sa mancha, malupit sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Kay Ponatics Herlin Budol po. Dati, nagtatakip ng kilikili. Pero bago sumali ng beauty contest, nag-Silka Whitening Deodorant ako. Ayun, nakapag-wave na. Ito ay may kinis puti extracts with papaya enzyme at niacinamide. Kita ang puti in as early as 7 days with regular use. Silka Whitening Deodorant. Kilikili puting walang budol.
With regular use, results may vary. Sa presyong di budol, mag-Silka Whitening Deodorant. 49 pesos SRP lang for 40 ml. Go na! Bili na!
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Alas 8:21.
This time check is brought to you by Batang Pinoy, Batang Tiki-Tiki. Alaga ni Mami kaya malusog, magana at iwas sakit. Yan ang Tatak Tiki-Tiki. This time check is brought to you by Head & Shoulders. Up to 100% dandruff-free with Head & Shoulders. That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN. Maskin donde hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.